In this lesson, we're going to learn about equivalent ratios. So if we have a problem like this that says, are the ratios 3 to 1 and 9 to 3 equivalent? Well, you really just need to understand that ratios are the same as fractions. So we can rewrite these ratios as fractions, and then that'll make it easier. So let's say this is the numerator and then this is the denominator for 3 to 1, okay? So let's rewrite that as a fraction, 3 over 1. And now let's look at the other ratio, 9 to 3. So let's make this the numerator and this the denominator. So that's how it looks, 9 over 3. So you have to keep in mind that if you make this the numerator, you will need to make this the numerator. Okay, but if you want to switch it, that's fine. You can make this the numerator, but this would have to be the denominator, and this would be the numerator, and this would be the denominator. It doesn't make a difference. You could do it either way. So now we can compare the two fractions using a common denominator. So 3 is common to both 1 and 3, so we're going to use 3. So now we can rewrite 3 over 1 with a denominator of 3. Okay, and to do this, let's take a look at it. What do you multiply 1 by to make it equal to 3? Well, you multiply it by 3. So what you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator. So we're going to multiply the numerator by 3. So that is going to equal 9. So this tells us that 3 over 1 is equal to 9 over 3. This means that the ratios 3 to 1 and 9 to 3 are equivalent. So you just need to remember that a ratio is just simply a fraction, and then it becomes easy. And don't worry if you don't get that right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. If you need more practice as well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in it. There's a link there that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.